Okay, so if you're like me and you've been trying to find how to get Wikipedia offline onto your phone, and you looked up all these tutorials and they all don't work, well, I found a way. This is the most updated way that you can get Wikipedia offline, and it works. So let me show you Let me show you how it looks like when it works. So basically, this is what it looks like. You click on it, and you can go ahead and do whatever. Let me turn off my Wi-Fi real quick. All right, so I'm going to show you. I click music, and it has all the images. It has everything here. You can go ahead and search for whatever you want, or you can just go ahead and click on these links, and it's all right here. So I'm going to show you how to do this step by step, but I'm going to need you to watch all the way through because there's a lot of important details that you need to follow in order for it to work. If you miss any of these steps, it's not going to work on your phone. All right, so I'm doing something new. I've been looking for a solution for this for like ages. I'd say maybe about a year. And this is my solution that works for me on Android. Okay, so the very first thing you need to do is you have to make sure that you have the items needed. You're going to basically need a 99 gigs of storage either on your phone or on a micro SD card or some kind of portable storage device. And once you have that, you should head over to kiwix.org. I will leave a link in the description so you can go ahead and check it out. And you need to go ahead and download the app. So they have different versions. They got one for Windows, Raspberry Pi, Linux. The one you're going to look for in this scenario, it will be Android. You also have one for iOS, but it's going to be an Android tutorial. So you go ahead and you download this. Now, before you say anything, and why don't I download it from the Play Store and this and that, it's because of one simple thing. If you download it from here, let me click on Direct APK. All right, this is what you're going to need to know. It's version 3.5. Okay, you can see right here, KiWix 3.5.0. Now I'm going to stop this because I already downloaded it. I'll let it go. It's all right. If you go to KiWix on Android and you click on install, well, let me show you what it looks like. You scroll all the way down. This version is only 3.4.5. Now, what does that mean? That means that if you install the Android version onto your phone and then later on you go ahead and you download the zim files or for the Wikipedia zim files that you need to open up using this app, it's not going to open. And that's what I ran into for years. All right, I don't know why they didn't update this version, but this version is stuck at 3.4.5, and if you download the Wiki zim files, it doesn't work. So you have to go to the website and directly download the APK and install the APK because it's version 3.5, and that's the one that's going to be able to open up the Wikizim files. Next thing you want to do is you want to go in here and you want to go and download the let me go to English. You want to download the zim files for Wikipedia. So let me see if they have it here. You go down to here and you go to content packages. And then from here, you're going to have the files for Wikipedia. All right, and it should be right here. So as you can see, it's about 95, about a little over 95 gigabytes for both the images and the text. And it's about, I think about half of that if it's just text only. All right, so if you go to here, it's about 49 gigabytes for just the text. I do the whole thing, so I downloaded this zim file. Now, once you downloaded this zim file, it took me, I left it on overnight, and it took me about half a day for it to download 95 gigabytes onto my computer. But it all depends on your internet speed. But once you got ahead and downloaded these zim files, you basically attached your phone onto your computer and transfer these files onto your phone. All right, so that's going to be the next stage. And then after that, let me show you what to do after this. After that, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your phone. You're going to double tap on KiWix and open it up. You're not going to have anything like mine over here, but you're going to click on library, and you're not going to have anything here. I've already have this here, but you're going to have nothing here. Then you're going to see this plus sign. You click on this plus icon, and from here, what you need to do is you need to click on the hamburger on the top left-hand corner and scroll down to where you stored the wiki zip files. I stored mine on an SD card, so I click on that. Then I click on Wikipedia, and then I click on where I stored it, which is right over here. And that will open up your wiki files. And that's how you can now access offline Wikipedia on your Android phone. And you can use a working method, so you don't need internet connection. If you're have some downtime, you can go ahead and read up on things that you always wanted to know about, and it won't eat up your data plan. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, could you please hit the like button? I'm Vince from Digital Nomad Institute. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.